How to add custom cosmetics to Hytale. Let's start by making our custom cosmetic. We are going to need the player base model and the cosmetics. If you don't know how to do this, you should watch my other video. When you have it, go to import attachment, and in common, go to cosmetics, and here you are going to decide what you want to make. If you want to make a cape, go for capes, or if you want to make pants, go with pants. In this case, for example, let's make a hat. In that folder, you will see the textures and the blocky models. Open the blocky model, you open it, to add the texture, go to the left, click on the name of your cosmetic, click on the plus, and add the texture. Click on the texture, and you will have it. Why are we doing this? Because if we click in the cosmetic that we imported, you can see that inside of the player model, we see now where the cosmetic is going, in what folders. That way, you could delete everything that you want inside of the folder and put your own model and start creating. Now that you have your model and your texture, you can right-click in the texture, save the texture wherever you want, and same with the cosmetic. Right-click in the cosmetic, export, and export Hytale blocky model. And in Hytale, before you create your wall, you'll need two mods, Wardrobe and Violet's Wardrobe. Violet's Wardrobe is optional. You don't need it, but if you keep watching the video, you'll see why probably you will want it. So let's enable both and create your exploration or creative world. It doesn't matter. Let's do /op self, go to Creative Tools, Assets, Asset Editor, click on the three dots, Add Pack, type a name and your name. Save it. Now open your world folder, go to Mods, go to your pack, and here you have to create the folder Common, Characters, Wardrobe, Cosmetics, and inside of Cosmetics, make a subfolder for your cosmetics. If it's a hat, make the head accessories. If it's a cape, make the subfolder of capes, yada yada. And inside of that folder, add your blocky model and your texture. And if in the asset editor you don't see it, restart the world. And after that, you will see your texture and your blocky model. Now, go to server in your asset pack, go all the way down, go to wardrobe, and right click in cosmetic assets, click in create cosmetic asset, and you only need to type the name of your cosmetic. Click on create, you can leave it there or you can make a subfolder with the category and move it there. Now click on your cosmetic, go to editor, go to properties, invisibility, click again in always, open translation, in name type the name, usually hat, open appearance, and we have to set the model. To set the model, go to common and we have to type all of these folders till here. A little bit annoying, I know, but it's what it is. And it should look something like this. Now go to texture config and do the same, but with this. You can even copy, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and change this to the name of your texture. And remember to put .png at the end. And the same with the blocky model. And under properties, we see cosmetic slot. What cosmetic slot should you put? Go to the Hytale assets, go to cosmetics, go to character creator, and all of these are the cosmetics that you can set. In my case, is this one. When you have everything, go to Hytale, type wardrobe, go to your category, you can see your cosmetic that you can click and you will have it with the custom model and the custom texture. You can save it and it will work. But don't leave. Let me tell you how to add the icon and how to do a lot more things like, for example, variants or even custom categories that are not in the base game. How are we going to do that? If you come here, you will see under properties the icon. In the icon, you can put whatever PNG you need. For example, if we go to the Violet's mod and in server we go to wardrobe, cosmetic asset, we open whatever and click whatever. Here in properties, we can see that the icon is in icons, wardrobe, cosmetics, and the subfolder, if you need an example. And why I told you to install the Violet's wardrobe is because I lied to you. I'm not going to teach you how to do the other things because you are going to learn by yourself. How are you going to learn? If you go to wardrobe and for example you need a variant, go to a model that has variants, go again to the asset editor, and in the asset editor open that model, go to appearance, go to texture config, go to variants, and you can see how it's done. And that with everything. And the same with the custom category. You go to cosmetic slot access, you click on badge, and you see how it's done. How you can use this in adventure mode. You need a furniture workbench, open it, go to misc, and you have to craft the cosmetic mirror. After that, place it, and you can use it like that. And for this, you don't need OP self or anything. So everyone in the server without OP can use it.